Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to delete files from OneDrive, both from your computer and the cloud, so you can tidy up your storage and keep only what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know the confident, proper way to remove files in OneDrive without leaving behind any digital clutter or confusion about where your files are actually going. Let's get right into it. If you're using the OneDrive app on your Windows PC or Mac, deleting a file from your OneDrive folder actually removes it from both your local device and the cloud at the same time. That's super convenient because your OneDrive continuously syncs everything between your computer and Microsoft servers. But it also means you need to be a little mindful, so you don't accidentally lose anything important across all your devices. Start by opening up File Explorer if you're on Windows or Finder if you're using a Mac. These are your gateways into all the files stored on your computer, kind of like digital filing cabinets. Once you're in, look for your OneDrive folder. You'll usually see a blue cloud icon next to it just to help it stand out from your other folders. If you have different OneDrive accounts for work and personal files, for example, make sure you're choosing the right one. Now carefully navigate to the files or folders you want to remove. You can select a single file with just one click, or you can click and drag your mouse to highlight several files if you want to delete a bunch at once. For larger batches, you can also hold down the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac while clicking to pick and choose exactly which files you want gone. Think of this like clearing out a drawer. You can toss a single document or do a whole sweep, it's up to you. Once you've selected your files, you've got two options for deleting them. You can hit the delete key on your keyboard, which is quick and easy, or you can right-click on your selection, then choose the trash or bin icon from the menu that pops up. Both methods do exactly the same thing, so pick whatever feels most comfortable for you. Here's an important note. When you delete something from your OneDrive folder, it doesn't vanish forever immediately. Instead, the file heads to two places: your PC's recycle bin or trash on a Mac and the OneDrive web recycle bin. Microsoft hangs onto these deleted files for 30 days, giving you a grace period to rescue anything you didn't mean to delete. It's a bit like the safety net under a tightrope. You get a second chance if you need it. So don't worry if you accidentally delete the wrong file, you still have time to bring it back. But remember, because everything's synced, deleting from your OneDrive folder removes the file from every device connected to that account and from OneDrive Online. If you only wanted to free up space on your device but keep the file in the cloud, you'd need to use a different method. This way, you're making sure the file is gone everywhere, which is perfect when you're sure you don't need it anymore. And that's really all there is to it. Cleaning up your OneDrive is as straightforward as cleaning out a physical filing cabinet. Select, delete, and rest easy knowing you have a backup grace period. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button. And if you have any questions about OneDrive or want advice on managing your files in the cloud, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.